Today our lecture is about success in web design. The contents. Understanding user needs. Creating a clear and intuitive navigation. Designing, optimizing and testing. Analyzing user behavior and making data-driven decisions. Building trust and credibility. Staying up to date with industry trends. Conclusion. User research is a critical step in understanding the needs and preferences of your target audience. By conducting user research, you can gather valuable insights that will inform your design decisions and help create a user-centered website. Creating user personas is an effective way to represent the characteristics, goals, and needs of your target audience. By developing personas, you can better understand your users and tailor your web design to meet their specific requirements and preferences. Collecting feedback from users is essential for improving your website's usability and user experience. By actively seeking feedback, you can identify areas for improvement and make informed design decisions based on user input. Use clear and descriptive labels for your navigation menu items. Avoid using jargon or ambiguous terms that may confuse users. Organize your navigation menu items in a logical hierarchy. Group related pages together and consider the flow of information that makes sense to your users. Design intuitive menus that are easy to navigate. Consider using drop-down menus, mega menus, or other navigation patterns that provide clear and quick access to different sections of your website. In today's mobile-first world, designing for mobile responsiveness is crucial. With the increasing use of smartphones and tablets, it is important to ensure that your website is optimized for different screen sizes and devices. Mobile responsiveness allows your website to adapt and provide a seamless user experience across all devices, improving user engagement and conversion rates. To ensure your website is mobile responsive, consider the following best practices. Use a responsive design framework, such as Bootstrap or Foundation, to easily create a mobile-friendly layout. Optimize images and media for mobile devices to improve loading speed and performance. Ensure text is legible and buttons are easy to tap on smaller screens. Implement responsive navigation menus that adapt to different screen sizes. Test your website on different devices and screen sizes to ensure consistent user experience. Reducing the size of files such as images, CSS, and JavaScript can significantly improve page load speed. Compress images and use appropriate image formats like JPEG or WebP. Minify CSS and JavaScript files to remove unnecessary characters and reduce file size. Caching allows web browsers to store certain files locally, reducing the need to re-download them on subsequent visits. Implement browser caching by setting appropriate cache headers and utilizing techniques like HTTP caching and content delivery networks, CDNs, to serve cached content from servers closer to the user. Optimizing code can improve page load speed by reducing the amount of processing required by the browser. Minify HTML by removing unnecessary whitespace and comments. Use efficient coding practices, such as lazy loading images and deferring JavaScript execution, to prioritize critical content and reduce initial load times. A call to action is a prompt or instruction that encourages users to take a specific action on a website or application. It is typically presented as a button or link. CTAs are crucial in guiding users towards desired actions, such as making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or downloading an app. They help increase conversions and engagement on a website or application. Tips for creating effective CTAs. 1. Use clear and concise language. Make sure your CTA text is easy to understand and conveys the desired action. 2. Make it visually appealing. Use contrasting colors, bold fonts, and appropriate sizing to make your CTA stand out on the page. 3. Place CTAs strategically. Position your CTAs in prominent locations on the page, such as above the fold or at the end of a blog post. 4. Create a sense of urgency. Use words like limited time offer or exclusive deal to encourage immediate action. 5. Test and optimize. continuously test different CTAs and analyze their performance to improve conversion rates. Implementing consistent branding across your website helps build recognition and trust with your audience. Use consistent colors, fonts, and visual elements to reinforce your brand identity. Using high-quality visuals enhances the visual appeal and engagement of your website. Incorporate professional images, videos, and graphics to create a visually appealing experience. Displaying testimonials from satisfied customers is an effective way to build trust and credibility. Share positive feedback and experiences to showcase the value and quality of your website. Including reviews from reputable sources or platforms can help potential customers make informed decisions. Highlight positive reviews that highlight the benefits and features of your website. Showcasing social media mentions and endorsements can enhance your website's credibility. Share positive comments, tweets, or posts from influential individuals or brands to demonstrate the value and trustworthiness of your website. Ensure your website meets the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG, to provide an inclusive experience for all users. Include descriptive alternative text for images to provide information to users who cannot see the images. Make your website accessible and usable for people with disabilities, such as providing keyboard navigation and ensuring proper color contrast. Keyword research is essential for understanding the search terms that your target audience is using. By identifying relevant keywords, you can optimize your website's content to align with these terms and improve your search engine ranking. Meta tags provide information about your web page to search engines. By optimizing meta tags, such as the title tag and meta description, you can improve your website's visibility in search engine results and attract more organic traffic. High-quality content is crucial for both users and search engines. By creating informative, engaging, and relevant content, you can attract more visitors to your website and improve your search engine ranking. Additionally, regularly updating your content can help keep your website fresh and relevant. Using persuasive design techniques can help increase the conversion rate of your website. Optimizing landing pages is crucial for maximizing conversion rates. Streamlining the conversion process can help improve the overall user experience and increase conversion rates. A/B testing is a method of comparing two versions of a web page or interface to determine which one performs better. By testing different elements or variations, you can gather data and insights to make informed decisions and optimize your website for better user experience and conversion rates. User testing involves observing and gathering feedback from real users as they interact with your website. By conducting user tests, you can identify usability issues, pain points, and areas for improvement. This valuable feedback can guide your design decisions and help you create a more user-friendly and intuitive website. Analytics tools provide valuable insights into how users interact with your website. By analyzing data such as page views, bounce rates, conversion rates, and user demographics, you can gain a deeper understanding of your audience and their behavior. This data can help you identify areas of improvement, track the success of your design changes, and make data-driven decisions for continuous improvement. To better understand user behavior, it is essential to use analytics tools to track user interactions on your website. By monitoring metrics such as page views, click-through rates, bounce rates, and session durations, you can gain insights into how users navigate and engage with your site. By analyzing the data collected from user interactions, you can identify patterns and trends. These patterns can include common navigation paths, popular content, and areas where users tend to drop off. Understanding these patterns can help you optimize your website's design and content to better meet user needs and expectations. Using the insights gained from tracking user interactions and identifying patterns, you can make data-driven decisions when it comes to web design. This includes optimizing page layouts, improving navigation, and enhancing user experience. By making informed design choices based on data, you can increase user engagement and ultimately achieve greater success in web design. Displaying security badges on your website can help build trust with your visitors. These badges indicate that your website is secure and that customer information is protected. Including customer testimonials on your website can help build credibility and trust. Positive reviews and feedback from satisfied customers can reassure potential customers about the quality and reliability of your products or services. Trust signals are visual elements that indicate the reliability and credibility of your website. These can include certifications, awards, or affiliations with reputable organizations. Displaying trust signals can help instill confidence in your brand and encourage visitors to trust your website. Stay updated on the latest design trends in web design to ensure your website remains visually appealing and engaging to users. Keep up with technological advancements in web design, such as new coding languages, frameworks, and tools, to enhance the functionality and performance of your website. Stay informed about user preferences and behavior to create a user-centric website that meets their needs and expectations. User research is a critical component of successful web design. By understanding the needs and preferences of your target audience, you can create a website that is user-centered and meets their needs. User research can take many forms, including surveys, interviews, and usability testing. By gathering data on user behavior and feedback, you can make informed design decisions that improve the user experience and increase engagement. In addition to improving the user experience, user research can also help you identify areas for improvement and optimize your website for search engines. By understanding how users interact with your site, you can make changes that improve your search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your site. Thanks. You can find a link below in the description to download a free copy of the presentation. The link takes you directly to Google Drive. Please like, subscribe and write a comment. Please don't sell the presentation or upload the file to another websites, because it's copyrighted. So what is the next video? Write down in the comments section the topic of the presentation and the number of slides. See you in the next video. Presentations upon your request.